Hello there. Do you wonder if you can include egg rolls in your diet menu if you are a vegan? Stay with me to see the answer. Let me first explain briefly what are egg rolls. Egg rolls are deep-fried rolls that are prepared with thin wheat flour wrappers and their fillings comprised of different kinds of vegetables and sometimes meat also. Egg rolls vary widely from a nutritional point of view. A standard restaurant egg roll contains 250 calories, 8 grams of protein, and around 12 grams of fat, 2 of which are saturated, and also contains traces of trans fat, which are the most harmful to health. So are egg rolls vegan? Is it correct to say that they are vegan or vegetarian? Egg rolls can be vegetarian or vegan, but at the same time, they can be neither. Some of them contain meat in a certain structure. By the way, most of them do not contain an egg. What we're going to do here is go over the various non-vegan/vegan ingredients that are regularly featured on the treat so you can see what to look out for. Keep it in your mind that all egg rolls are not vegan. Egg rolls may contain some non-vegan elements inside them. So if you are a vegan, you must check the ingredients thoroughly before consuming them. Be sure to check out my full article in which I inspect the ingredients of the most popular egg rolls in the market. The link is below in the description. And thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the content of this video, click the subscribe button so you can receive more content like this every week.